Good morning. A very beautiful morning, dear students. Welcome back, English Bal Bharti, class 5. Before start our lecture, we already completed all the lessons from unit 3. Today, we move forward the next unit, that is unit 4. So, today we are going to learn a new poem from unit 4. Poem number 25, The Man in the Moon. Let's see what we have to learn from this poem. See, is there any life that exists in the moon? According to this poem, it has been stated that yes, there is the man living on the moon. Let's see what we have to learn in this poem today. First one, I will read the poem. Poem number 25, The Man in the Moon. The man in the moon, as he sails the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the deeper. He dipped right out the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. This is very meaningful poem, and that is the imagination which is created all around the poem. Let's see the first stanza in this poem. See, the man in the moon as he sails the sky is a very remarkable skipper, but he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the deeper. See, in the first line of the poem tell us that there is a man on the moon who keep on sail on a water with here normally sailing in the sky. What he sailing in the sky? Now normally people on earth sail on water with the help of boat or a ship. But here in this poem, here is the fun. What is the fun is here? That is, the man in the moon is with the fun. He is fun to be sailing high up in the sky, or is boat or ship upon which traveling is called a moon. It means what he says here, the moon. Further in the stanza, we also come to know that moon is not, the man is not an ordinary man. The man in fact described as a remarkable skipper. What is the meaning of skipper? It means the captain of a ship or a boat. One day, it so happened that this man made a big mistake. He tried to take a drink of water from the deeper. What is the meaning of deeper? It means container for taking out water to fill the milk in it. What he done the big mistake that he take a container to fill the milk in it. So he is a very remarkable, very appropriate skipper, captain of the moon sailing. See the next stanza from this poem. He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Now, in this poem, the man used this dipper to contain in order to fill the milk in it. What he done that? He filled out the container with the milk. This man very slowly and carefully filled his dipper. He is very careful about it. How? He has to fill the milk in the container. And he filled the dipper with the milk by dipping the container in the Milky Way. Here means the band of light. What is the meaning of Milky Way? That is the band of light consisting of stars spread across the sky at the night. All over. What is the meaning of Milky Way? All over there is stars, and the shining stars are spread all over in the sky at the night. But do you know what happened next? When this man went about lift the dipper that was filled with the milk, suddenly he found that the little bear and the big bear, who observing him carefully from far away. Who is observing the man? The little bear and the big bear, who was observing the man from the far away. And the man scared him away by growling and howling. What is the meaning of growled and howled? It means making a low and loud noise. After hearing this sound, the man got afraid. Man was very scared to listen this horrible sound. And the dipper, which was filled with the milk, it called a spilled away. As the milk got spilled away, it got transformed into the beautiful stars got spread across in the sky. It means when the deeper the container spilled out all over in the sky, it's look like a beautiful star spread in the sky. Since this is an imaginary poem, the poet shows us the magic of the milk transforming into the shining star. So children, with this poem we come to know this is an imaginary and beautiful poem what we learned today itself. So I hope do you understood this imagination of the poem from this poem. You have to read the poem, try to understood what the poet is telling to all of us. Let's see in the next lecture. Thank you.